How to make Snapchat account private. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to make your Snapchat account private. After you open your phone, before you open your Snapchat app, go to your Play Store App Store and make sure you search for Snapchat and update your Snapchat app. After you finish updating your Snapchat app, now go back and open the Snapchat app. After you open your Snapchat app like this, now tap on your profile at the top left side. After you open your profile, now here is now my profile on Snapchat. Now you can go ahead and tap on this settings at the top right side. Under the settings, now scroll all the way to down. As you can see now, under this privacy control, tap on this contact me. After you tap on this contact me, so here you can be able to see who can contact you directly with Snapchat. So make it to only friends. Tap on this okay. Now only your friends can be able to contact you. Tap on this back arrow. Tap on this use my Bitmoji avatar. Make it to only me. Tap on this back arrow again. Scroll to down and tap on this view my story. So in this section, who can view my story? Now it only says to only your friends can view your story. You can tap on this custom button to block among your friends. You can, as you can see, it says block friends from seeing new snap you added to your story. So you can go ahead and search your friends that you don't want them to view your story. So after you finish searching the friends, you can tap on this block button to block them. After you finish with that, now you can scroll to down and tap on this see me in quick art. Uncheck this one. Nobody can be able to see your profile in quick art. So if you scroll to down, tap on this my location. Under this my location, so here it says only your friends can be able to see your location. Now make sure you turn on this ghost. So tap on this until turn off. So if you scroll to down, hide my live location, turn it on. So that's it guys. Now you make your Snapchat account private. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.